Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them a broke down. All of we barriers, them a broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we will be looking at the price of bread in Jamaica. But before we get started, I just want to say to all my returning subscribers, thank you, thank you. And to all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, bread holds a special place in the Jamaican cuisine and culture because bread is eaten with a lot of the dishes. From ackee and saltfish to jerk chicken, bread is eaten a lot for breakfast. So it has a very special place in the hearts of Jamaican. Now, there is a challenge that it's close to home for many of the citizens. That is the rising cost of bread. Currently, the average price for a regular loaf of bread in Jamaica is just over $500. Well, for the regular bread. Now they have started making these shortbread, which is basically like half of a bread, and that sells for approximately $260. Now, if you compare the price of the 2 pound bread, the same bread that sells for just over $500 in Jamaica, you will get that same bread in the US for just under $5. Now, the Prime Minister recently announced that effective June 1st, 2024, the national minimum wage will increase from 13,000 to 15,000. As Jamaica grapples with these economic challenges, it is clear that finding solutions to ensure affordable access to basic necessities like bread will be crucial for the well-being of its citizens. Hi, Claude. How are you today?
Doing well, doing well.
Claude, we're looking at the price of bread. And something I noticed is that bread price in Jamaica is very, very high compared to here. I would say the price here is average. What would you have to say? Do you have any idea why there is might be that big discrepancy in the price?
Well, first of all, you have to understand that Jamaica don't grow flour, so they are any grains as such. So everything that they use is imported. Now, you know this Russian war going on there, so the grains is not coming out. So of course the price is gonna go up. There's less on the market. You see what I'm saying? The more you have the raw material on the market is the cheaper it's gonna be. But when it's restricted and you're not getting the full amount, then the price is gonna jog up. So the only thing I can think of that would cause that is that this Ukraine war.
Mhm.
The Ukrainians supply a lot of grains, and whether you not that they import it from there, but other market is sucking from that market. So if it's a reduction in the supplies, then the price is gonna go high.
Yes. And then the exchange rate would undoubtedly be another factor.
Well,
The
well,
exchange
well,
rate.
the exchange rate is gonna also put it up
Because
higher because you're paying more.
it's like 150
Right.
about for $1.
But the way I see Jamaican dollars with the US dollar, it's a dollar for dollar, you know. When I go to the supermarket, when I visit Jamaica, I see it's a dollar for dollar. That's how I see it.
Mhm.
I don't even change my money. I just spend US dollars down there because it's not really it's very clever what they're doing to keep it dollar for dollar.
Mhm.
You understand?
Mhm.
But people don't appreciate it. They're still shipping stuff down there all the time, shipping stuff, shipping stuff. They don't. I don't see the sense in shipping stuff down there because I find the price the same.
The same.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
it's the availability that jacks up the price.
Yeah.
And sometimes the consumers, you see, also after COVID, the they talk about inflation and stuff like that because people buy more than what they need. People get jittery. Oh, it's a storm coming. Let's get 25 bottles of water. Let's get case of this, case of that, and then they're still buying. So the seller is still selling and putting up the price because the seller say, well, hell, they're buying it. Why would I drop the price? You know. So those are the things that affects the market. You know what I'm saying? But I don't see any cure to that unless there's a mass production of grains again. Then the price is gonna go back now.
Yes.
But you know, one thing as well, correction, price never go back down. You know?
Oh no. Oh no.
Once you get that price, it never goes back down.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Anything it will stabilize, but not reduce.
Well, I think it's availability. That creates that problem.
Yeah. All right, Claude, thanks for talking with me today.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. Blessings, Claude.
Bring me some clients.
Yes. Guys, for those of you who are in the Tampa area or surrounding, please come and check out Claude's store. It's called Caribbean Trade.
Right.
And it's on Nebraska. What's the exact address, Claude?
11502.
11502
North
Nebraska. And let me tell you, anything Jamaican that you want, it is here. From your produce, your grown produce, to your canned goods, to your fish, your drinks, your liquor. When I say liquor,
beer,
I mean
and wine.
Your beer, wine, your stout,
yes.
Your sodas, everything Jamaican. Anything that you need to prepare your meals, Claude has it.
Come and get it.
Guys, come and get it. All right. Thank you, Claude.
Thank you, ma'am.
I was speaking to my relatives in Jamaica about the cost of bread. And I understand that wheat is scarce. And the bulk of Jamaica's wheat supply comes from Turkey. And since the war in Turkey, this has affected the supply of wheat to Jamaica. So there is a shortage of wheat. So I am thinking that the bakers are having a hard time getting materials to make their bread. So of course, with the little wheat they have, they stretch it and thin it out and they raise the prices. And this is not good for the average consumer. So what I'm here thinking is that we're going to have to, as one politician said, turn your hand neck fashion. We have to try thinking of eating natural stuff like green banana, yam, cassava for breakfast. You don't have to have bread. You can also do things like, as Miss Lou would say, become a dumpling refugee. We can make dumpling, fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, baked dumpling, make our own starch from wheat, if it comes to that, because it's ridiculous to be paying $500 for a loaf of bread when that is like about 25% of somebody's minimum wage at salary.